Hey everybody, Mike here with Foundation Homes, bringing you another fabulous rental in Tiburon. I'm up on Redhill Cir off of Lyford. Take you on in to see this 1,600 square foot, 2-bed, 2-bath, top floor unit. Walking up here to the front approach, coming in through the front door. We've got the one car over here on the right. Show you that at the end. Coming in, we've got hardwood floors, high ceilings, as you can see, can lighting, dimmers throughout. Over here on the left, we've got the kitchen, stainless appliances, lots of cabinet space, 5-burner gas cooktop range. Opens up to the dining room and the living room, family room. Out to the large expansive deck with a killer view of Mount Tam, Richardson Bay, and the Belvedere Lagoon. So this would be your dining room here, separated by a 2-step down into the family room, living room. Fireplace over here on the right. And that's a gas log lighter with artificial logs. Here we've got the deck. Belvedere Lagoon, Richardson Bay, Strawberry Point, Sausalito, Mount Tam, Mount Tiburon. Come back into the house. You can really see the high ceilings, the openness of the floor plan. Over here to your left is the master suite. We are replacing the carpets. Those will be going in sometime in the next week. So today is Friday, June 12th. Carpets should be done in the next 7 to 10 days. This is the master suite with another gas synthetic log fireplace. Access out to the deck. Cable and electric for a wall mount television. Come back through here. Gonna have a large walk-in closet on the right. Closet system. Pop in here for you. Do a little 360. Lots of wardrobe hang bars. Shoe cubbies, drawers, shelves. Now we come on through to the master bathroom. We've got a large tiled shower stall with a handheld wand, subway tile. Got the jetted tub. Got the his and hers, or his and his, or hers and hers vanities, or just an extra sink. It's a good sized room. Lots of light filled windows. Water closet over here. And I'll take you back through, just to get the full lay of the land. We'll head on back towards the front of the condo to show you the first bed. So here's the first bed, good size. Large windows, closet with a closet system, laundry closet here. Oops, get these lights for you. Tub shower combo. As you can see from the finishes, the place is very neutral. It's updated, modern, clean, simple, elegant. Garage with some built-in space. You can fit one car here and one car in the driveway, so it's 2-car parking, extra storage. That concludes the tour of 22 Redhill Cir, Tiburon, California, 94920.